Have you ever wondered how coaches get clients? Like, how do they get from learning that someone might be interested in being one of their coaching clients to actually someone who's paying them money and they're meeting with one-on-one? In this video, I'm going to talk about the final two pieces in that puzzle, which is the discovery call and the offer. If you're just joining me, this is actually day 11 of your first 30 days on Kajabi. What we're doing here is we're saying your first 30 days on Kajabi, what are the things that you need to do and the things that you need to know to have the best possible start on Kajabi, hit the ground running, making money, building products, making offers in that first 30 days. And if you want to jump in, be sure to go back and watch all the days leading up to now. And you can actually get a free trial of Kajabi over at lanesebring.com/Kajabi. You get a 30-day free trial, plus you get my 3 exclusive bonuses: the Kajabi Accelerator course, the top 3 mistakes that new Kajabi users make, which is my exclusive masterclass, and my 25K course launch email template. All of that is yours to say thank you for using my link, because it is an affiliate link. So when you use it, I do get a small commission, but at no additional cost to you. So go start your free trial for 30 days over at lanesebring.com/Kajabi. Yesterday in our video, we talked about the intake form, the coaching application that you can send to someone who has expressed interest. And so we've been building this piece step by step, because we've said you may not have a course yet. We're going to get to that in a few days. You may not have a mini course yet or some kind of offer like that that's more passive, but right now you can get your first coaching client if you follow these steps. And yesterday, where we left off is the person has filled out the form, and let's say they've sent it back to you, and you're looking through the application and you're saying, wow, this looks like someone that I could really help with some coaching. They look like they're invested in it. It seems like the answers to their questions means that we could be a good match. So now it's time to set up a discovery call. What I like to do is just reach out with a Calendly link or a Zoom link and just say, hey, why don't you put some time on my calendar? And you can set this up in advance on Calendly. 30 minutes or 15 minutes or 20. Doesn't need to be more than 30, maybe not less than 15. Somewhere between 15 to 30 minutes. Just say it's a free discovery call. And when you get on the discovery call, you've got the application, you've seen all their answers. What you want to do is you want to ask them one more time, tell me what you would like to get out of this coaching. Like, what problem are you solving? And what are you hoping to get out of the coaching? And then just listen, because you want them on that call to express one more time, here's where I'm stuck. I'm stuck here, stuck here, stuck here. And here's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get to this place, this place, this place. While they're talking, take great notes, write down what they're saying, and really think about, if I were to help this person, I would help them with this, this, and this. And if it's your niche, it's your topic, it's your thing that you teach about, it should be very easy to identify this, okay? As someone's describing where they're stuck, you're going, oh yeah, you're stuck there, I can help with that. You're stuck here, I can help with that. Like, this should be very, very natural to you. And don't be intimidated by that. It's gonna be easier, it's gonna come easier to you than you might even think if you've never done it, because it's your thing and they're coming to you asking for help. So listen very carefully, write some notes, and then at the end of the call, once they're done, you just say, listen, if we were to work together, I would help you with this and this and this, 2 to 3 things. Say, I would help you with this, and I could help you kind of get this outcome. I could help you with this issue and help you get that outcome. And I could help you with this issue and help you work out a plan to get this other outcome. Does that sound like something that would be helpful to you? And of course, they're probably going to say, yeah, that sounds awesome. Now, what I like to do is I like to say, great, let me think about this, and let me put together a proposal, and I'll email you in the next couple of days. And this is where the offer comes in. In the next video, we're going to talk about how to build a coaching offer on Kajabi that you can then send. You're going to send them the checkout page and an email with an offer that's basically going to say, we're going to do this amount of sessions and it's going to cost this amount of money, and this is how it's going to look. But in terms of the discovery call, this is where you're going to leave it off, where it's like you want them right there on the call to feel excited, because you want them to feel, because it's real, it's a real feeling, like you can help them. You want them to feel like, wow, this person's really going to help me make progress in this area, solve this problem, and move forward in this area. And so that's where you want to leave it off. Now, if you want to see a bigger picture of how all of these pieces in online business fit together, be sure to attend my workshop, the Turn What You Know into Dough workshop. It's over at lanesebring.com/workshop. And I'm going to show you how to make your first $1,000 per month in your spare time in passive income. This is going to be amazing. It's free, it's on demand, and you can attend it today. lanesebring.com/workshop. Be sure to sign up for Kajabi, start that free trial, get those bonuses, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 12.